Hello friends, so here we can see we have another surprise from Federal Bank, and it is recruitment of officers, that is probationary officers and clerk in Federal Bank 2017-18. If we refer to this post, we can say that Federal Bank has released the notification of recruitment process for the post of officers, that is probationary officer PO and clerks 2017-18. Here is one more opportunity for the aspirants who want to clear the exam and become a banker. Federal Bank, one of India's leading private sector banks, is on lookout for energetic and talented youngsters who aspire to be future industry leaders and possess the right skills and attitude to excel in relationship banking and customer-facing roles, to team up as officers in Scale 1 and clerks. Now let's move on to the important dates, what we have for Federal Bank. Here it is, important events. First is commencement of online registration of application. So from which date can you file the registration? Can you fill the registration form? That is 23rd August 2017. Next is closure of registration of application. The last day for the registration is 4th September 2017. Closure for editing application details is 4th September 2017. That means the last date for registration and the last date for editing any application details is 4th September 2017. Last date for printing your application is 19th September 2017, and online fee payment is from 23rd August 2017 to 4th September 2017. So as you can see, the online registration will start, and online fee payment will start from 23rd August and it will end on 4th September. The registration and the payment as well. Now let's move on to the next slide and see what we have. Here we have scale of pay and other emoluments, which says officer in Scale 1. Candidate who joins the bank as officer in Scale 1 will be offered the following pay scale: rupees 23,700, 30,560, 32,850, 42,020 DA, HRA, CCA will be paid as per rules of the bank in force from time to time depending upon the place of posting. So here we have another thing, that whatever DA, HRA and CCA you will get, that will depend on the time and the place you are posted at. Medical aid, hospitalization scheme, leave fare concession, retirement benefits and other prerequisites will be admissible as per bank's rules. So let's move on to the next thing, that what we have for the same. Now here we have clerk. Candidate who joins the bank as clerk will be offered the following pay scale. It could be 11,765, 13,730, 16,175, 20,095 rupees, 28,110 and 30,230 and 31,540. Again, HR, talent acquisition and development, DA, HR, CCA will be paid as per rules of the bank in force from time to time depending upon the place of posting. Again, medical aid, hospitalization scheme, leave for concession, retirement benefits and other prerequisites will be admissible as per bank's rules. Now let's move on to the next emolument if you have any. Here we have period on probation. For officer, candidates selected as officers will be on probation for a period of 2 years. For clerk, candidates selected as clerks will be on probation for a period of 6 months. Eligibility criteria, here we have the age as on 1st/7/2017. So as per 1st/7/2017, the age of officer, candidates shall not exceed 26 years as on 1st/7/2017. Candidates should be born on or after 2/7/1991 for being eligible for the post of officer. For clerk, candidates shall not exceed 24 years as on 1/7/2007 and candidates should be born on or after 2/7/1993 for being eligible for the post of clerk. Educational qualifications for officer: graduation with minimum 60% marks from any recognized university or other institution established by an Act of Parliament or declared to be deemed as a university under Section 3 of UGC Act 1956. Second, should have obtained minimum 60% marks for SSC or equivalent exam and 60% marks for +2 or equivalent exam. Last is, candidates should have acquired the stipulated educational qualification through regular mode of study. So the degree should not be from distance learning, it should be a regular mode of study. Now let's move on to the next qualification, and that is for clerk, graduation with minimum 60% marks from any recognized university or other institution established by an Act of Parliament or declared to be deemed as university under 3 of UGC Act 1956. Candidates should have acquired the stipulated educational qualification through the regular mode of study only. That means again you do not have a chance to do a distance learning course. The degree should be regular mode only. Application fee details are here, which is not refundable. Mind this is non-refundable. For officers, if the category is SC or ST, you have application fee for 350 rupees, and for general and others we have 700. For clerk, we have SC and ST to pay 250 and general and others to pay 500. Now, how do we apply to this recruitment? Eligible candidates shall go to the careers page of the bank's official website www.federalbank.co.in and click on the option Apply Online, which will open a new screen. For any clarifications, candidates may contact at careers@federalbank.co.in. Thank you so much for watching this. So I hope this notification will prove a huge help to you. Thank you for watching Adda247. All the best.